Let's get a look at the weather first, though. Here's Thomas.
Thanks, Rachel. Well, as promised, the weather is going to go downhill on Monday, and on top of that, it's also going to be quite cool as well in a number of areas. So this is where the clouds are coming from. It's zipping across the Atlantic. It's an area of low pressure that has been developing here across the Atlantic. So this is what it looks like through the course of the small hours of Monday morning. Initially, the rain's not going to be particularly heavy. In fact, just mostly light, and in Scotland, it's going to be clear. The heaviest stuff will be waiting just towards the southwest of our neighbourhood, and it will be sweeping across the country through the course of, later on Monday morning and into the afternoon. But let's start with the good news. Of course, in Scotland, it's not a bank holiday, but you have got the sunshine here. In fact, right from the word go, beautiful weather across the Western Isles, fine in the lowlands too. And then the further south we go, the thicker the cloud gets. And at this stage, you can see where the rain is across most of England, Wales, and also a few spots there in Northern Ireland too. But then zip towards the southwest of the country. You actually see some breaks in the rain here too. But here in the southwest, this is where the heavier stuff is going to be, and that will splash its way through the southwest of England. So it does look as though that cricket, England versus India, England versus India, will be pretty wet. Could be a washout. So what can we expect then? The heaviest of the rain will splash its way through Plymouth, Cardiff, central southern England, into the London area as well. And actually what's going to happen is this sort of low pushes through, and the low is actually all the way here. It kind of stalls across this part of the country, so we are going to get a lot of rain and many hours of rain, around 20 millimetres of rain. That's about just under an inch or so, and this is through this evening. That rain band doesn't go any further north, so you can see in Scotland it just stays clear. And then as we head into Tuesday, so this is the following night, and into Tuesday morning, this weather front in the south of the country is just going to sort of claw itself very slowly towards the east, and that means that even on Tuesday we still have a legacy of cloud and little bits and pieces of rain. Nowhere near as bad across the south, 20 in London, and still quite nice there in Scotland. Quick outlook for Wednesday. Fair bit of cloud around, sunshine too, maybe one or two spots of rain, but temperatures recovering a little bit there in London. So yeah, not a great day on the way tomorrow. Quite wet, so get your wet weather gear out. But in Scotland, it looks as though it should be, as I said, a nice day. That's it. Bye.